Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste tables from Microsoft Copilot to Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is grab that table from Microsoft Copilot. So what I've said for them is generate me a gym routine table for chest day, and this is the table that they've given me. This is just for demonstration purposes. So from here we need to copy this, Control C, and if we go to Microsoft Docs and paste that here, it's not going to be in a table format. So what we need to do is open up Google Spreadsheets, and now from here paste in the information like so. Once you've got your information here, we need to make it to look like a table. So go ahead and click on to borders and then click on all borders like so. You can make it thicker, darker, etc. Also from here, we need to click onto text wrapping and then click on the drop down menu and then click onto where it says wrap. You can see it's starting to look like a table. Now from here, we can play around with this, make it look a bit better, neater, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So now from here, click on A1, click on Control A, then Control C on your keyboard, and then head over to Google Docs and simply paste it like that. But where it says paste table, go ahead and check paste unlinked and click paste. And that's it guys, how to copy and paste tables from Microsoft Copilot to Google Docs.